Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about the electric recliner chair which is not working, and also we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So let's start the video without any delay. So first of all, check the power supply and also make sure that the recliner is plugged in and switched on. Now check the remote control whether it is working properly or not. If your remote control is not working, then simply try to operate recliner with inbuilt buttons. If it is not working from inbuilt buttons too, then first of all check the wiring, and if wiring is damaged, then simply replace them. Now the next thing you have to do is to reset your electric recliner, and to reset your electric recliner, simply unplug it from power source for few minutes. Plug it back and test the functions. Also make sure that the recliner is not too overloaded. If these ways does not help, then simply contact the brand of recliner you are using and call the technician. And this is the last option you have. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video will help. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon.